Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I'm Sheetal June and you're watching today's legal news where we update you with the latest legal developments across the country. Starting with the headlines. Supreme Court grants bail to Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal in case registered by CBI in liquor policy scam. The Prudent girl will meet an unknown boy at hotel room for the first time. Bombay High Court acquits rape accused. Delhi High Court's Judicial Tribunal upholds ban on 6 separatist groups of Jammu and Kashmir. UK court finds Pakistani men guilty of killing Tamil restaurant owner. Now the news in detail. The Supreme Court today has finally granted bail to the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal following his arrest by the Central Bureau of Investigation in June in connection with the alleged liquor policy scam case. A division bench of Justice Ujjal Bhuyan and Justice Surya Kant found that the CM's prolonged incarnation amounts to unjust deprivation of liberty. The court also made interesting and important observations. As far as the grounds of arrest were concerned, the court said that they do not meet the requirement of arrest. The CBI cannot justify the arrest by giving evasive answers and cannot continue the detention. It also stressed that the accused cannot be compelled to give a statement. The court also remarked on CBI's functioning. It said perception does matter and the CBI must dispel the notion of being a caged parrot and must show it is an uncaged parrot. CBI should be like Caesar's wife above suspicion, Justice Bhuyan stated. The court opined that the process of arrest shouldn't become punishment and belated arrest by the CBI is not justified. The Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court has acquitted a rape convict while observing that no prudent girl would go to a hotel room to meet an unknown boy for the very first time, as such a meeting at a private place would send an alarming signal about the boy. A girl meeting a young boy for the first time would not go to a hotel room. Such conduct on part of a boy would obviously send alarm signals to the girl. In my view, the evidence of the victim about the occurrence of the incident is totally unbelievable, Justice Sanup opined. He dismissed the rape case version of the victim who claimed that she met the convict through Facebook before finally landing up at the hotel room. The victim was not acquainted with the accused prior to meeting in the hotel. It was their first meeting. She has stated that on the request of the accused, she accompanied the accused to the room of the hotel. In my opinion, this conduct of the victim is not consistent with the conduct of a person of ordinary prudence placed in a similar situation, the judge said. A judicial tribunal of the Delhi High Court has confirmed the centre's ban on separatist group Muslim Conference Jammu and Kashmir Bhatt faction and the 4 factions of the Jammu and Kashmir People's League JKPL for threatening India's integrity by promoting, aiding and abetting the cession of the Jammu and Kashmir through terrorism. 2 separate orders, one for the Muslim Conference Jammu and Kashmir Bhatt faction and another for the 4 factions of the JKPL upholding the ban imposed under the UAPA, was issued by the tribunal consisting of Justice Neena Bansal Krishna, a Delhi High Court judge. The Muslim Conference Jammu and Kashmir MCJK Bhatt was declared a banned association by the Ministry of Home Affairs through a notification on February 28th. The tribunal was constituted on March 18th for the purpose of adjudicating whether or not there was sufficient cause for declaring the MCJK Bhatt an unlawful association. A Pakistan-born man, Shahzeb Khalid, has been found guilty of murdering Vignesh Pattabhiraman, a 36-year-old Tamil who worked as a restaurant manager in Reading, UK on Valentine's Day this year. The jury at the Reading Crown Court found Khalid guilty of the murder of Pattabhiraman by deliberately running his car into him for a contract fee of £2,000. Pattabhiraman died at Royal Berkshire Hospital early on February 15th. A post-mortem examination found he died of head injury. The Crown's case was that Well Restaurant's operation manager Mohammad Sadiq Ismail, an Indian national, has asked Sohaim Hussain, his friend, to find someone to threaten Pattabhiraman, who he believed was snitching on the restaurant for employing illegal staff. Hussain recruited Khalid, who ran the car into Pattabhiraman, leading to his death. A neighbor described seeing a person get out of the crashed vehicle and strike something 3 times. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. Subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android devices for the latest legal updates.